Hello, my dear viewers. This is Deepak Jain here in English Mania, and today I am in conversation with Mr. Om Pathak. And Mr. Om, may I know that where are you from?
I am from Raya.
You are from Raya.
Yes.
Okay. Since when have you been living in
I
Raya?
have been living in Raya since my childhood.
Since your birth or childhood, right? Okay. And what does your father do?
My father is a businessman.
That's good. So, what kind of a business does he do?
He deals in a cycle.
He deals in cycles,
Yes.
right? Okay. So, Mr. Om, I want to give you a topic, right? And I want that you to share your views on the topic. Fine. I want you to share your views on child labor. What do you think? Is child, first of all, tell us that what is child labor? Is child labor good or bad? What do you think about it?
So it depends on the condition.
Hmm?
Because now I am telling you about child labor.
Hmm?
If a child do under the
Child is a singular, so use does, right?
if a child does work
Fine.
under the someone
Okay.
below the age of 14,
Okay.
it is called child labor. So many causes behind this.
There are many causes.
There are many causes behind this, like the child is orphan, or
So you are going to tell us the reasons,
Yes,
right?
sir.
So one of the reasons can be that child can be orphan. अर्थात एक बच्चा है, possibility है कि वो अनाथ भी हो सकता है.
Yes,
Okay.
also if a child have a financial problem,
Child is singular, so don't
if a
use
child
have.
has financial problems,
Okay.
also if child does not set his heart on studies,
Okay.
then he will do a child labor.
Okay.
He will become a child.
So if the child is not able to set his heart on study, he can become the child labor, right?
Yes, sir.
So, in this case, there is a possibility, that most of the children are not able to set their heart on study. So, does it mean that they should go for labor? Let's say you have a child and he's not able to set his heart on study. So, will you send your child to do work?
So if my father have not a financial problem, they can force
He.
me. Yeah, he can force me to study.
Okay.
But my father have not.
My father is a singular. You should mind grammar. When the subject is singular, you are supposed to use has, not have.
If my father does not have a lot of money, then
Yes.
then he will go. He will send me to
Do labor.
do labor.
Okay. So in this case, let's say there is a possibility that right now you are not able to set your heart on study. You don't feel good, right? But there is a possibility that in future you can set your heart, right? Some students become serious, in the class 6th, some in 7th, some in high school, or some after intermediate in their graduation, right? So what would you say for those kids in this condition?
Sir, I think, sir, in this case, sir, if a father forces to a child to do study, but child is also want study.
Child wants to study.
Child also wants to study.
Okay.
In this case, child is mature in the 6th class or 7th.
Okay.
But sir, if a child does not want to study properly, sir, he will ask to his father to do work in his childhood. Then if a father have a financial problem, then he will send his child to the labor.
To do labor, right?
To do labor.
Okay. What do you think? I mean, are there advantages more or the disadvantages more of doing the child labor? What do you personally think about it? Please share your opinion.
So I think, sir, the advantages are more.
How can you say that?
So if a child do a labor,
If a child is singular, okay, please mind it. I have told you many times.
Okay, sir.
Yes.
If a child does a labor,
If a child
if a child to be a labor.
ये क्या लगा रहे हो आप? टू
Yes, sir.
क्यों?
If a child be a
If a child does labor,
if a child
why are you using that excessive or that extra words in this.
Sorry, sir. If a child,
And be loud, please.
if a child does labor, then he have a skills.
Sorry,
He has a skills.
Okay, you are not able to concentrate, I think, right? I have told you many times, still you don't mind the subject, if it is singular or plural. Child is a singular subject, right? So please go ahead. Yes.
He has skills in his field,
Okay.
and he has a self-dependent.
He becomes.
He becomes self-dependent. He has a
What does he have?
he has a sense of responsibility or
Okay. So you mean to say he becomes responsible?
yeah, sir.
Fine, that's
In his
good.
childhood, he knows a value of money. So he gives the financial help to his family.
Family members.
Yeah, sir.
So these all are the benefits,
Yeah, sir.
right? So do you think that these all the benefits are genuine or reasonable? Because actually you are going to deprive the child of study. So in this case, I mean, do you think that this is the valid reason to deprive a child of study?
So I think, sir, it is valid reason because of, sir, if a child, if you forcefully send his child to the school, he fights
Okay.
in the school. He does not read, or he also doesn't read to anyone.
Okay, he doesn't let anybody read.
He doesn't let anybody read.
Okay, neither he reads, neither he studies, nor he lets anybody study.
Yeah, sir.
Right? Okay. So if these cases occur, then you mean to say that child should go to labor. So don't you think that if these cases occur, then the teacher is there. So what the hell the teacher is doing there? Why does the teacher let this happen? Is he not able to take care of the child? In this case, the parents should actually raise a complaint and go to the principal and take care of it. Why would they deprive the child of study in this case?
So if a parents take care,
Don't say if our parents, so just if parents
if parents take care a child,
of the child,
take care of the child. So
if the parents take care of the child, then what would happen?
then he responsible.
He becomes.
He becomes
Use the verb, right?
yes, sir. He becomes responsible.
Yes.
Responsible about his child.
Okay. So what do you want to say?
So I want to say, if parents send their child to the school, if teacher beats him, then he will also ask the question to the teacher, why are you beats my child?
Why are you beating?
Why are you beating my child?
Okay. So you mean to say there would be again the corporal punishment,
Yeah, sir.
right? Okay. No, not beating is not the only option that the teachers are left with. Okay. There are so many options that the teacher can use. Or by the way, that corporal punishment is banned from the side of the government. So that beating is not the option. Okay. It is not the appropriate option. So what are there no other options? And if the child faces any difficulty in the education, then obviously, it doesn't mean that he would be deprived of the education and he would just go to do labor. We have to find out the solution. What do you think? Is it a solution just to send the child to do labor and deprive him of the education? By being labor, can he grow more, or by being educated, can he grow more? Please tell us.
So, but he does not want to study. That's why the parents send him to do labor.
Okay. So again, let's say he is not able to do study. So obviously, then what do you think? What can be the reason that why is he not able to do study? Then there must be some loopholes in the education system. Maybe the teachers are not properly teaching the child.
Sir, this is the main reason the teachers are not properly. The teachers are not properly teaching the child. So because some many schools I see, Sir, the schools hire the teachers from 8th pass to 10th pass to the
Okay.
classes of below the 6.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
So they actually hire non-experienced teachers,
sir.
right? Or immature teachers
Yes, sir.
because they are not expensive. Is that true?
Yes, sir.
Okay, then you should actually raise a complaint. Why would you make your child sit at home?
Because of sir.
I'm again asking you the question. In this case, you should raise a complaint against the education system. But why should you spoil the career of your child? Second, if there is some such kind of pathetic or obnoxious school is there, in this case you can actually get your child admitted in any other school.
Sir, and any other school, sir, if I send my child to the higher school, sir, their fees also be
High.
very higher.
Okay. Okay, then why don't you actually raise a complaint to the government against it?
So because of sir,
Because
no
you
one,
vote for people, right? Then if you don't get good education, then why don't you get united and raise complaint against, to the government against the schools?
so no one wants to the government.
Just look here, don't look here and there, right? You should mind your eye contact. You're talking to me and looking here and there.
Like the code problems.
In Hindi, what do you want to say? Say it in Hindi.
सर कोई सर गवर्नमेंट के
हाँ
मामलों में नहीं पढ़ना चाहता
तो
है
ये
कि
बोलो
सर
ना,
कोर्ट वाली
नोबडी, ये इंग्लिश में बोलो प्रॉपर, आगे मत भागो. हाँ, nobody wants to, यहाँ पे सब्जेक्ट ऐसे आएगा, nobody wants to get into the matter of government.
Nobody wants to get
into
the matter of governments because of no one have a
nobody is singular.
Nobody
हाँ,
has not a time to.
nobody has not, you cannot use not because nobody is negative. Nobody has time.
Nobody has time because of he also faces the financial problem.
Okay.
Because of he has not a time.
He does not
have a time to spend in these problems.
Okay, your name is Om, right?
Yeah, sir.
Okay, Om. Actually, I asked you many questions and you did your best. Although you are just a beginner, अभी आपने अपना 1 महीना भी complete नहीं किया है, right?
Yeah, sir.
Right? But according to the time, you are performing good, okay? But try to be bold. वैसे कोई बात नहीं, दूसरे और तीसरे महीने में in the second और third month आपके अंदर एक boldness जो आनी चाहिए वो आ जाएगी, right?
Okay, sir.
ठीक है. और ग्रामर का जो फीडबैक आपको दिया जा रहा है, जैसे कि सिंगुलर और प्लूरल सब्जेक्ट को माइंड करना चाहिए ना आपको, वो उस पर थोड़ा सा ध्यान देना. ये वीडियो आपके पास रहेगा एंड वट एवर द फीडबैक आई गेव यू, ओके, यू शुड अप्लाई दैट. नेक्स्ट टाइम ये मिस्टेक्स नहीं होनी चाहिए, राइट? ये सिंगुलर एंड प्लूरल मिस्टेक्स हैं, ठीक है. अगर आप एक हाई लेवल के जगह पे अप्लाई करना चाहते हो, है ना, तो वहाँ पे ये सारी मिस्टेक्स वो माइंड करते हैं. सिर्फ लोकल लेवल पे सीखना चाहते हो कि मथुरा में ही रहना है, मान लो यहीं लोकल लोगों से बात करनी है, तो हाँ, देन इट कैन बी ओके. बट लेट्स से इफ यू वांट टू गेट अ सिलेक्शन इन हाई कंपनीज, इन रेप्यूटेड कंपनीज, okay, so there they will pick the holes. I mean to say they will see each and everything minutely, okay, and they will reject you over the trifle things, over the petty things, okay. That's what I wanted to tell you, okay. Fine. So it was all in this video, and it was a nice participation from your side and good efforts, so keep it up, okay. And that was it in this video, and then again on any other topic I will again take you here, okay. ये हमारा 1-on-1 सेशन है, फाइन. बाकी सारे बच्चे अलग और आप अलग, ओके. दैट इज कॉल्ड एक्स्ट्रा केयर, फाइन. अभी ये क्राउड वाला वीडियो नहीं है ये, ठीक है. इसको हम कहते हैं 1-on-1 सेशन, fine. So in 1-on-1 session I was with Om Pathak and it was a nice conversation with Om, and that was it. Thank you very much and have a great day. Bye now.